everyone, Joseph here again. Hope you guys enjoyed my previous show. Today I'm going to cook traditional Thai dishes. So basically I have a huge barramundi. They wrapped up with a banana leaf, and then I'm gonna chuck them onto the grill, a charcoal barbecue. So it's a Christmas here. I wanted to say Merry Christmas to everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed my show. Alright, we start off with the fish. We slice the fish because the fish part, the meat is pretty thick, so make sure the flavor can go in. Then we're gonna put the coriander, garlic, lemongrass, chili into the blender. So let's make a marinade sauce. We're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of the olive oil in as well to be in the marinade. Of the lemongrass and the coriander roots, and I would like to put some basil underneath the fish. That's my personal flavor. If you don't like it, you don't have to, but I would add it in. And then all the mix gonna be stuffed around the whole entire fish. Make sure the flavor can go in. So looking good. Almost done with the stuff. This marinade will be very good, strong flavor later on when you put onto the barbecue. Little bit salt on top of it, and cover with the banana leaves. Make sure they're well covered, and fold it up together, and use the bamboo stick to make sure they're not losing. Chuck in the fridge for 25 minutes. Let's go prepare the barbecue. So I had the charcoal here ready. That's chucked in. The little fire lighter. Alright, so now I'm preparing a dipping sauce. Chili, garlic, fish sauce, palm sugar, and use the mortar to break them up, so the flavors can blend together very well. This is a very strong, spicy, garlic, vinaigrette taste for this particular dipping sauce. Alright, let's get the fish ready on top of the charcoal. Wow. Smoking has started already. Let's check. Let's give a quick look. See how the fish turns out. Wow, the flavor is so strong. Once the fish ready, pour over the sauce all over the fish, and they're ready to serve.